Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to refill the water tank and empty the dirty water tank on EZVIZ RS2 robot vacuum and mop combo. Here is the charging base, and all you need to do is open this top lid, and then here is the clean water tank and here is the used water tank. And to fill the clean water tank, you can either just open the lid right here or take it all out and then you can open it. You can also empty it by opening it here, and then you can empty it, then put it back in like that. And this is the
clean water tank has been put back.
And this is the used water tank.
In clean water tank.
You can also just open it here and you can empty it, then close it and put it back. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.